Hey everybody, Gavin at Audio Boffins here. Just unboxed the new Bassface Red 12.4 woofer. Thought I'd order a couple in, just because yeah, I was keen to see what this beastie product was about and check out the build quality. We like to do a bit of R&D work on new products, not just for ourselves but for you guys too, and most importantly to give feedback to the brands so that we can say you know, if there's anything can be made better. That's kind of what happened with us and a few other companies and people in the industry with the original version of the SPO 0.4 series. Yeah, some tweaks, changes have been made for the next batch, and yeah, it's looking great. Essentially, we've got as you can see, a carbon fibre cone with quite a nice, cool logo on it. Typical sort of Bassface style red stitching around the edges, which you expect to see on the majority of their woofers. It's kind of yeah, it's their thing really, on a lot of stuff. Now, what you do notice is the size of the motor. It does have a rubber boot on it, like a lot of woofers. It's not terribly thick at all, so for those of you thinking, oh, that's just been popped on there to make it look bigger, well, in this case, no, it's actually really not on a you know, a half-inch thick or inch thick like we've seen on some products. I believe that it's triple stacked, Y30 ferrite. It's got a 80 mil voice coil, so 3 inches and a bit. Pretty heavy-duty tinsel lids that are woven into or stitched into the spider. Push terminals, common feature. Don't know if you can see in there, the coil looks pretty good. Yeah, some nice cooling holes on the pole. Overall, for essentially a budget sub, these are £299.99 sterling, GB pounds, whatever you want to call it. I think they could be very popular. Gonna hopefully do some testing with one soon, just to show people what they can do, check out you know, the potential of it. Like to try and use as many products as we can ourselves before selling where possible, so that we can make sure that you guys get the best products, and that we're not going to be selling you any donkeys. So keep your eyes peeled, and for now I'll just say #DTU for those in the know, and for those that don't, you'll have to find out. See you later, guys.